Hi! In front of me is Realme GT 2 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on special features. Following that, click on Simple Mode at the bottom and tap on Enter Simple Mode in order to activate it. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, access Devices Settings, click on Exit Simple Mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!